Holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. One should strive to understand what underlies sufferings and diseases and aim for health and well-being while gaining in the path. If you are quiet enough, you will hear the flow of the universe. You will feel its rhythm. Go with this flow. Happiness lies ahead. Meditation is key. What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. There are only two mistakes one can make along the road to truth: not going all the way and not starting. No one saves us but ourselves. No one can or no one may. We ourselves must walk the path. If a man's thoughts are muddy, if he is reckless and full of deceit, how can he wear the yellow robe? Whoever is master of his own nature, bright, clear, and true, he may indeed wear the yellow robe. Anger will never disappear so long as thoughts of resentment are cherished in the mind. Anger will disappear just as soon as thoughts of resentment are forgotten. For soon the body is discarded, then what does it feel? A useless log of wood. It lies on the ground. Then what does it know? Your worst enemy cannot harm you as much as your own thoughts unguarded. But once mastered, no one can help you as much, not even your father or your mother. Dear friends, if you want some more videos related to motivational thoughts, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications.